Our project is about implementation of UART using VHDL. We demonstrate the conversion of data from parallel to serial and serial to parallel form. This is done in asynchronous format. This is the block diagram of UART. Here there is a transmitter, a receiver and a baud rate generator. The baud rate generator consists of a divide by 11 circuit, which is followed by divide by 256 circuit, and then by an 8x1 multiplexer. With the help of 8x1 multiplexer, 8 different baud rates can be generated. This is the RTL view of baud rate generator. Here is the simulation result. We can clearly see that for an input system clock, if the input select lines are 0, 0, 0, the output frequency is divided by 22 times. This means the time period of B clock increases by 22 times, which is shown there. Transmitter. It is used for parallel to serial conversion of data. For a B clock, the data in D bus is taken in parallel form by TDR followed by TSR and transferred out serially from TXD pin. As it is asynchronous form, a 0 is appended at the start and 1 at the end. This is the RTL view of transmitter. Here is the simulation result of transmitter. We can clearly see that for TX ready at every rising edge of B clock, a bit is transmitted serially from data bus. Also, we can see that there are start and stop bits. Receiver. It's used for receiving serial data and sending out data parallelly. For a B clock, the data is taken from RXD pin serially by RSR and then to RDR. Then, for an enable signal, the data is sent out parallelly to the data bus. As the data is received asynchronously, the receiver waits till the start bit is detected and then starts receiving the data. This is the RTL view of receiver. Here is the simulation result of receiver. We can clearly see that for a high of RX ready at every rising edge of B clock, bits are stored in RSR after start bit is detected. Also, for the next B clock signal, that is the enable signal, the data is parallelly seen on data bus. After seeing the 3 blocks, now we look at the operation of UART. This is done by aligning the 3 blocks, namely baud rate generator, transmitter and receiver. This is the RTL view of UART. We first check for transmitter operation followed by receiver operation. The transmitter is enabled for TX ready signal. The transmission is seen by active high on T data pin. We can see that for select lines 0, 0, 0, the B clock time period is increased by 22 times of system clock and transmission of bits takes place for every rising edge of B clock. In the similar way, receiver operation can be shown.